Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to review on my 98 K1500, what I've done to it, what I have planned for it. So let's get right into it. Okay, first off, I'm a journalist. Sorry about the light coming through here, guys. I got aftermarket headlights. They came from eBay. They're not that special. They're pretty cheap. This side's broken. The back plating on them got broke somehow. But the other side's pretty fun. Corner lights are good. Just that one headlight right there. It's just, they're smoked Euro style. I got aux beam low beams, aux beam switchbacks for both sides, and lost fit high beams. But yeah, eventually I'm going to be switching this up. I don't know what I'm going to be going with yet. So far on the fence about lights, I do got these cheap Walmart or eBay, one or two, I forget where I got them at. Tail lights, they're not the best. They're only probably like 20 bucks. Since I don't got LEDs in this thing, the halogen heats up and this is cheap, so we got a hole right in where the reflectors are. So yeah, that's what I've done for my lighting. I recently did my frame, as you guys can see. Undercoated it, got it sandblasted. It's not perfect. My first time ever doing this. I plan on eventually taking the whole cab off and doing up under there, doing up by the engine. But for right now, this is my main worries. I did all the way up under here on both sides. That's what I've done to the frame. For right now, it's enough to get me through a couple years, and then eventually we'll take the cab off this thing and actually get to the frame and get into things. Right now, that's her work. I got dual exhaust, Flowmaster Super 44s, dual in, dual out. Yeah, that's what I have for right now. Don't know when I'll be switching it up. I don't know if I'll be switching it up because I like this exhaust. But yeah. Also, let's move on to the bed. This bed is not in great shape at all. A major rust hole right here, a dent beside the bed. This bed's basically done. There's a rust hole right here. I'm not opening my tailgate because it's pretty hard to shut. This side's perfectly fine. But yeah, in addition to that, I'll show you guys what I have. I know I showed you guys on another video, but I bought this bed off someone, 20 bucks for it. No rust, no nothing. Well, no rust on the sidewell, brain freeze right there. Fender wells, there's significant rust right here. Tailgate has no rust. The only rust is them spots right here. And there's another spot to show you. There's no rust right here. This is not rust, it's just body filler. No rust on that fender well. And there's rust hole up there at the beginning of the bed. And that's the only rust hole I see on this bed. And 20 bucks is definitely worth it. I can get it fixed up fairly cheaply, get handed. But yeah, this is what I have. This is one major part I have with my my truck. One fairly addition I have to it. So yeah, let's move on to the engine. Okay guys, so first off, this is a stock 350 Vortec 98, so it's not TBI, it's fuel injected. I had first off, I had to do the head gaskets on this thing, because whoever had this did not take care of it at all. This truck does not have very many miles on it. I'd say like 120, 130,000 on it. Ain't bad for a year. Definitely needs cleaned up in here. I haven't gotten the chance to do it yet. I will be bringing you guys on a video when I get ready to do my radiator. It has a small pinhole in it, so I'm planning on doing that. But I haven't really done much to this truck, engine wise. I got some plans for it. I'm planning on doing like a cam, some lifters, maybe a head studs, just a top end rebuild for it right now. Maybe some longitude headers. Yeah, just you fix it mods right now. I don't have any plans to do the bottom end just because of the mileage. It doesn't have really no problems with it, so I don't see the point of just doing that stuff unless I start having problems with it. Then I'll think about doing it. Yeah, this is just a pretty bare bones stock as you can get. I'm not sure how much torque or horsepower it puts out. There's a 4L60, my bad, behind it. I plan on rebuilding the transmission when I do the engine. Building that up, beefing it up to where it's not going to fail me. But yeah, that's what fair stock engine is. I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with the platform. So let's get on to the interior, guys. Okay guys, so first off my list, I'm gonna need a new door panel. The clips broke off of it. I don't know if I'm just gonna need new door clips or what, but I might be able to just get new door clips, clip them back in there. But that door trim just fell off. It's normal for these trucks. This dash is all broke. Honestly, my interior is not in that bad of shape. My seats are not in that bad shape either. Just a little worn. But yeah, this is what I haven't really done much to it. Just my radio is sitting there because I just didn't have time to put it in. Handler is pretty good shape. But yeah, this is what my interior looks like, guys. Pretty sure you guys are familiar with this platform, so I'm just showing you guys around. This particular year is the third door, 98. So yeah, these rocker panels they're not in that bad shape right now until you look up under it, and yeah, it's pretty bad from up underneath, but you can't really tell when you look straight at it. But I got plans to redo these cap corners and rocker panels. So there's no rust on the doors or anything. I'll take you guys around to the other side real quick. Yeah, like I said, you can definitely tell on this side. It's all 8 out over here. Definitely gonna need cap corners and rocker panels. Behind that's, I don't know. There's no rust really mainly on the doors or anything, so yeah, just a basic standard 98 Chevy. This is like the top of the line, top package you can get on this truck. I believe I am the third owner. Yeah, I'm a third owner of this truck. My dad bought it off some juggy, and then I bought it off him for 700 bucks. This truck got me around. If I ever plan on getting rid of it, I can sell it for a lot more than that. Right now, this is my baby. What I've always dreamed about ever since I was a kid. So it does have some flaws and stuff. So no truck's perfect. So I got that's all I really have for you all. Right now, I got bullet antenna from Ron Factory. I'm not sponsored at all. I'm planning on getting some boost parts to mirrors. But yeah, if you guys got some suggestions what I should do, what else I should do to this thing, leave your comments. Let me know in the comment section down below. I'll definitely take your feedback. And this is probably where I'm gonna wrap it up for today. So I hope you guys all have a nice day if you stayed to this long of a video, and I hope you guys have a good day. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. See you.